I usually write the whole song. So the song is complete as far as, intro, verse, bridge, chorus, break, whatever the parts of the song are. They're worked out, all the lyrics are done, everything is pretty much done before hitting record in the DAW, okay? And arranging and all that stuff starts to happen. So the song, the skeleton, well, I wouldn't call it a skeleton actually, because it is a complete song. It's just not orchestrated yet. And some songs don't even require orchestration. I have plenty of acoustic guitar vocal songs, piano vocal songs, and that's fine. And there's been some huge hits and huge releases that are just piano vocal, guitar vocal, okay? So sometimes it doesn't even require orchestration, but assuming that we're gonna orchestrate, the song is already completed before starting all of that. I don't work out bits and pieces and then get into the DAW. I know some people do that, and that's cool, and they work out ideas that way. Some huge bands used to do that. They used to go into studios at huge cost, okay, to the record companies back in the day when they still had big budgets. They don't anymore. None of that happens anymore. But what used to happen is they used to go in the studio and they used to spend like months in there. And a big portion of that time wasn't just spent on recording the songs. It was spent on writing. Okay, so they would have general ideas of directions that they wanted to go in, but they would write a lot of stuff in the studio, on the spot. Okay, so those were different times, different days, okay? But, and still, even today, in the home studio environment or small studio environment, bands and artists still do that. They work out bits and pieces. They feel more inspired in the studio environment and with orchestration, especially if there's a band around, to work out more ideas, and that's cool, whatever works. But for me personally, I don't. The song is done before hitting the record button in my DAW.